Hello and welcome to the Walking Talking Topic on Angles, question number 6 with me, Mr. Barton. Flipping out, look at this. Find the size of the angles A, B, C, D and E. There's loads going on here. We've got loads of parallel lines bombing around. Remember, parallel lines are each of those ones that have the little symbol on the top. Right, let's take our time, get some labels going on the diagram and see what we can do here. So find the size of angle A. Well, the first thing I'm spotting about angle A is I've got a bit of an F shape here. Let's just mark him on there, up there and up there. My arms of my F shape are parallel, so that's looking good. F shape, posh name for it, corresponding angles. I know they're equal, so A and that angle there must be the same. So A, I'm going to put 52 degrees. Little tip, always label it on the diagram as well, because that's probably going to help you with other stuff as you go. Right, now it generally tends to be the way that you can work these out in alphabetical order. Not always, but more often than not. So let's have a look at B, see if we can get B. Well, there's a couple of ways of getting B, and it depends how good you are on your angle facts. You'll notice there that we've got parallel lines kind of enclosing this 52 and B. And when parallel lines have angles kind of inside them, they're called either supplementary or co-interior, or some people call them allied angles. And crucially, they add up to 180 degrees. So B plus that angle there must equal 180 degrees. So B must be 180 take off that 52 degrees. And and if my maths is right, I think that's going to be 128 degrees for B, 128. It's not the only way to do that, by the way. You could say that you've got another F angle with there, and that's 52 there. So angles on a straight line add up to 180. But I'm going to do it the co-interior or the allied way. Right, what about angle C? Well, angle C is vertically opposite angle B there, and I'm quite good at my vertically opposite angles. They're always equal to each other, so I think angle C is 128 degrees as well, so that's not too bad. Right, now we're getting on to the big money stuff though. How on earth are we going to try and get our head around what angle D is? Well, angle D seems to be in this little triangle here, so I wonder if we can work out our other two angles in this triangle. Well, that one's not too bad, because that one there is vertically opposite A, so he's 52 degrees, that's okay. And in fact, this angle here isn't too bad actually, because if you spot, you've got yourself a nice little F shape again there with that angle and that 88. So I reckon he is 88 degrees. So angle D must just be the missing piece of that triangle. So we've got 180 degrees, and we've got to take away from that our 88 and our 52. Well, our 88 and our 52, again, if my maths is right, I think comes to 140. So I think it's whatever's left over, which should just be a nice bit of 40 degrees. So angle D is 40 degrees. And then all that's left is this dodgy looking angle E down here. But again, I think he's alright, to be honest with you, because that angle there, vertically opposite my 88, is equal to 88. And then look what we've got here. We've got a line going up there, parallel lines coming down, so again we've got another F shape, another corresponding angle. So I think that angle there, 88, is equal to that angle there. So E is equal to 88 degrees. So in summary, I've got A is 52, B is 128, C is also 128, D is 40, and E is 88 degrees. 5 marks for that, please.